for a boy called Fred. And Lingy's wife Nat here is watching the show. So they're rolling in now. This is going to be a 6G turn, descending down to 100 feet above the ground. Running in with 800 miles an hour closure here, and the pilots are going to pass just 100 feet from each other. Joining the Royal Air Force, where he became a Harrier GR7 pilot, and like all Harrier pilots, he's seen a lot of operational service in Afghanistan. He's also a proud father of an 8-month-old girl, who assures me doesn't keep him up at night, but I don't believe him. Just coming in from the left-hand side then, Enid rejoin us with reds 8 and 9 attached. Pulling up now for the vertical break. Another nice shot with the cameras coming up shortly. Ladies and gentlemen, the vertical break. Even though the pilots are formatting on each other to a degree to make sure you get that perfect split. Back in from the left and right then, the synchro pair rejoin us for some double barrel rolls into a manoeuvre called the roller coaster. Little room for error here as they cross. Which is close to where he grew up. That's what inspired him to join the Royal Air Force and later on the Red Arrows. This is his second year on the team. He's a keen rugby fan. And as I told you earlier, Nat, his wife's here watching. Nicely done, Baz. Right in front of us. Now eyes out to the left hand, stepping down with white smoke to form the goose. Directly below the main formation and pull up. Moving in his third year on the Kiwi pilots. Australia and New Zealand. And his fiancée Em is here watching. Hello to you, Em. Now, being a Kiwi, he has strange food. The other day I witnessed him eat a burger with beetroot, egg and pineapple on it all at the same time. I'm told they love that in New Zealand. Now, ladies and gentlemen, out to the front you'll see 2 aircraft pulling up. Some of you may or may not know that this year is the 90th anniversary year of the Royal Air Force Benevolent Fund, one of the foremost Royal Air Force charities. They do an awful lot of good work for servicemen, their families, and ex-servicemen and their families, providing all kinds of support. And in their 90 years of history, they've achieved some amazing things. Inside, the synchro pair are back with us. Both stepping down to that 100 feet as they run in for some opposition barrel rolls. These manoeuvres flowing between about 100 and 300 feet, anywhere between 2 and 3 flow of the air brake out to improve the smoke trail. Ladies and gentlemen, out to the left-hand side. Enid, rejoin us for a manoeuvre called the helix. The reds are stacked down to the right-hand side like a pendulum. You already know the aircraft we fly is the BAE Systems Hawk, another triumph of British engineering. Anybody who's flown it will tell you what a cracking aeroplane it is, and that's, I can vouch for that as well. It's good looking, it's nimble, it's got plenty of poke, and when you push it to the edge of the envelope, it's perfect for a Red Arrow's display. Jace has called the team into leaders' benefit now as red, white and blue smoke comes on. Tightening the bend there. The Hawk powered by the Rolls-Royce Adore engine. Built at the Stilton plant near Bristol. Named after the Adore branch. A cracking engine served the Hawk for its 30 years of service admirably. The kit. Coming into the right-hand side. Watch this. Prepare for the corkscrew. Red 6 and 7 flying upside down in close formation at 300 feet as 8 and 9 barrel roll around their smoke trails. That's Red upside down on 6 there. That's Lingy. Really earning his money today. That's no easy feat. Back out on the right-hand side then, you can see Enid